Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Monarch Money application on your iPhone. To download the Monarch Money app on your iPhone is a straightforward process. So let's get started. First of all, open your App Store. Go to the search box and type in Monarch Money and search. Look for this application from the search result and tap on the Get button and start downloading the app on your device. Monarch Money is all-in-one platform designed to optimize your finances. It'll help you easily track your account, collaborate with your partners or financial advisors at no extra cost, and that's how you can easily download Monarch Money application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.